Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by placing the watch band face down on a soft mat so nothing slips. Align the band so arrows or pin heads point toward the tool's pusher. Once aligned, set the removal tool so its pusher lines up with the pin head precisely. Small misalignment bends pins. You press the knob slowly until the pusher meets the pin, feeling for resistance. Make sure to stop as soon as the pin turns. You don't want to force it out crooked or damage sleeves. Once the pin is protruding, you switch to steady hand tools. Grip the pin tip with needle nose pliers and pull it straight out to avoid bending. While doing this, support the adjacent links so the band doesn't flex. Excessive flexing stresses end pieces. After removing the pin, separate the link plates and note any directional spacers or collars. Keep them paired. You repeat for each link you remove, counting links removed to maintain symmetry. And to match, you reconnect the band by aligning the link holes and inserting the pin straight in. Use the tool to press it flush without hammering. Once reassembled, make sure the clasp centers on your wrist. Adjust by removing or adding one link per side if needed. Test the band by flexing and wearing it for a minute to ensure pins sit tight. If a pin jams or bends, reverse the pusher slightly, realign the parts, remove the pin, straighten or replace it, then retry to prevent damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.